So today I'm showing you how to make this 3 ingredients cookies. This is so yummy and it's fun to make. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. Add butter. You can use margarine as well if you don't have butter, and add in vanilla extract. Cream this together until light and fluffy. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can just make use of your whisk. It doesn't need any much instruments to make this delicious cookies. It's so easy to make. After your butter mix is light and fluffy, the next thing to add is icing sugar or powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, you can make it yourself. Just get granulated sugar and place it in the grinder and grind it until it is smooth, and there you go, you have your powdered sugar. So just cream this for just 2 minutes for it to combine properly. Just scrape bottom and side of your bowl in order for all the ingredients to mix well. After that is done, the next thing you want to add is all-purpose flour. So sieve in all-purpose flour. The reason why you want to sieve this is to remove impurities. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so I can get notified when I drop new video. So this is Vlogmas and we uploaded for the 1st of December and we're going to the 25th. So turn on your notification so that you don't miss out. So my camera was not positioned well, so that's why I just cut out the other clips. So after mixing everything together, you just want to form this into a dough. After doing that, just place in the fridge for just 10 minutes for your dough to rest. So after 10 minutes in the fridge, just bring out and place the dough in a parchment paper and roll this out. So ensure that you don't over flatten the dough. So the next thing you want to do is just to cut this into straight line. I'm not really good at making straight lines, so yours should be better than mine. So the next thing you want to do is just to divide this into 2 and then just place it in the fridge for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just bring this out and place this into a prepared baking pan and bake this for just 10 minutes. There's no need to give space in between the cookies because this won't rise, but just give just little space so that they don't gum up together. So bake this in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So my cookies is ready now. So So into this is just condensed milk and red food coloring. So this condensed milk recipe is on my channel, so you can go there and watch it and make your own luscious condensed milk. So you can also use melted chocolate as well, but I really had condensed milk and I just decided to just mix this together. You can make this with children. It is so fun, and just do something fancy to the cookies. This cookies is soft, yummy, and so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new videos. So tomorrow we are going again. So this is a Vlogmas season. It's all about making festive recipe for you to try out this season. Catch you tomorrow.